Uh, Good afternoon, dear. And this is Professor Nandi. So today we are going to discuss a very exciting technology which has come up in the New Year. We are going to celebrate the Open AI's GPT 3.5. So as you perhaps know, what is GPT, right? So those who do not know, let us tell them that GPT is an initiative of Open AI, and the abbreviation is actually Generative Pre-trained Transformer. And what is this actually? OpenAI started this utilizing the gigantic neural network in the form of deep learning network to understand, perhaps for the first time, the natural languages. Okay, and that's why it's called language training model. And as you know, natural languages are the most difficult languages for computers to understand. There are two types of languages, in the world. One is natural language, another is formal language. Formal languages are those languages uh, with which we communicate with the computer, like C++, Java, Python, and all kind of such languages, which require a compiler to tell the computer that what is being written. Okay. On the other hand, we have natural languages like English, Hindi, French, and they are somebody's mother tongue. Okay, means they are trained through parents in a supervised learning way, and they have lots of fuzziness, vagueness in the pronunciation, and they have lots of dialects, and they are not very formal in structure. So that's why they are called natural language, because it is coming naturally to you, and computer don't understand those kind of languages. And OpenAI is trying to make computer understand those natural languages. And once computer can understand the natural language, there will be a possibility. Also, this is a project of OpenAI, that how to translate from one language to another language seamlessly. Okay, and what is the fun in doing this? Means you can imagine how much percentage of population actually are computer savvy. How many of us can interact with the computer using formal languages? Very few, right? Now, if people can interact with computers using their own mother tongue, which is the natural language, then how it would be? It will be great, right? So GPT is an initiative to do that. Though the GPT is a generative pre-trained transformer, is a giant neural network, deep neural network. Okay, it started with the version of 1, 2, then 3. With the improved version, the capability of understanding the languages increased. And we were eagerly waiting when GPT-4 will come. But alas, it didn't come. Instead, GPT 3.5 came. And that also created a kind of sensation. It is doing so many good things which we we didn't expect it to do. Of course, many GPT, Chat GPT, they have been offered GPT 3.5 as a Chat GPT, which is a kind of, in software, you can call it beta version, kind of not finished product, where millions of people can use them, can give their feedback, and in that process, the technology will move forward. And the basic idea of realizing or making computer understand your mother tongue one day will be the reality. With this, we'll talk more detail about the technical issues related with the GPT 3.5. Okay. So till then, have a nice day. Bye bye.